Mr. Jones Inti Kathar, retired IAS and presently President of APHLC, Karbi Anglong.
Yes.
Inti Imchen, ex-Vice Chairman Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation for 10 years. And Mr. Imo Meren, a resident of Borlingri. Good afternoon to all of you. I'm Mrs. Anita Mech from Kathar, Karbi Anglong. I'll introduce myself. I'm a social activist for social justice against any corruption or illegal matters that is going on. This afternoon, I'm very happy to be with the designated people. First of all, I wanted to ask Mr. Imo Meren, resident of Borlingri, you have anything to say?
Yes, I want to put up a few points. Mr. I'm a resident in Borlingri, Karbi Anglong, Assam. We have 10 to 15 years in Athagi, Karbi Anglong, Borlingri. We have 3 points for Tamu Mujado, one Naga Mano. We have for more than 10 15 years Thagi in land pata for the border Naga people living along the border. Mongi pata issue no. Whereas non-tribals can reside to Akando. Akando who man easily buy it. Is it the question? Or number 2, 62 where are we Naga despite being ST? 62 din ahe include no way. Develop my clarification again. Or number 3, being an Indian citizen as a whole, or Karbi Anglong resident of Karbi Anglong, belonging to ST, we can get electoral laws there. It's a document by the present government or right. Into Tindam ways, Hawal, that one brothers, sisters living in the border area. So, face
Karbi Anglong Thaka Naga Bilako Kyo land pata nidie, Aru Kyo voter list nam Humabo nidie, Etu Kathana. Etiale Prothom to Ami 6 schedule to Kibostu, Etu Janibolego, 6 schedule law to Kidhoronor law. 6 schedule to Etu eta reservation law no hoy. Etu yat koise 6 schedule to the constitution is a mini constitution governing the administration of tribal areas of northeastern part of our country. Etu buli amar Justice B.L. Hansariae koise. Aru Justice to etu Supreme Court Justice. Aru Chief Justice of India, former Chief Justice of India Muhammad Hidayatullah koise 6 schedule 2, it is a constitution within a constitution. Etu eta constitution, a 6 schedule B.L. Hansaria koise, aru Muhammad Hidayatullah Supreme Court Chief Justice koise etu constitution within constitution. Etu boli koise. Etia kotha to hoise India constitution to etu. Tar logote ei eta 6 schedule to ase. Ya constitution to ki bostu? Etu he prothom to janibo laibo. Constitution is constitution to eta desh bonaboloi, eta desh, eta country bonaboloi, eta nation bonaboloi, eta legal framework. It is a legal, constitution is a legal framework for building or constructing a country. Etia 6 schedule to mini constitution, hey karne itu for constructing or building a mini nation. Nation within India, it's a mini nation, a small country. Etia Karbi Anglong, Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, Aru Boroland, Aru Dimhasao, এইবিলাক to 6 schedule govern করে 6 schedule administration কৰে সেইকাৰণে এইবিলাকটো মিনি কান্ট্ৰি হয় এইটো আইন মতে আৰু ল মতে আৰু ইয়াত 6 schedule paragraph 20 কৈছে 6 schedule paragraph 20 কৈছে 6 schedule paragraph 20 আৰু paragraph 1 আৰু 20 কৈছে it is tribal area বুলি কৈছে 6 schedule area যিটো 6 schedule আইনেৰে 6 schedule law মতে administer কৰা হয় এইটো tribal area হয় বুলি কৈছে তাত ইয়াত কোৱা নাই কাৰ্বি এৰিয়া বুলি কোৱা নাই খাসী এৰিয়া বুলি কোৱা নাই গাৰো এৰিয়া বুলি কোৱা নাই ডিমাসা এৰিয়া বুলি কোৱা নাই বড়ো এৰিয়া বুলি কোৱা নাই নাগা এৰিয়া বুলিও কোৱা নাই ইয়াত ট্ৰাইবেল এৰিয়া বুলি কৈছে তাৰ মানে ট্ৰাইবেল তো কোনটো ট্ৰাইবেল আকৌ ট্ৰাইবেল তো এটা এডজেক্টিভ বস্তু হেতু সেইকাৰণে ট্ৰাইবেল বুলি নহয় আচলতে যিবিলাক শিডিউল ট্ৰাইব হয় এইটো শিডিউল ট্ৰাইব হয় তেওঁলোকৰ দেশ এইটো বুলি কৈছে সেইকাৰণে এইটো আইন মতে নাগা সকলে যদি কাৰ্বি আংলঙত থাকে তেতিয়াহলে they have all the rights whatever the Karbi people have got
Yes.
all the rights enjoyed by Karbi, Garo, Khasi, Dimasa, Mizo, and then Tripuri people, all these rights enjoyed by them are also enjoyable by Naga people. Hey karone area kotha koise area boli kale mati land ito hey karone land to if you are also here then you have got the right to get pata you have got the right to get pata means lease in English it is lease pata there are two types of pata exona pata miadi pata miadi means periodic pata exona means annual 1 year pata now pata the word pata is Persian language it is not Hindi or anything not Assamese Bengali it is originally it is Persian language from Persia used by Aurangzeb this and that people Mughal people so pata can be given to all tribes people who are staying here but not to non-tribal people jibilak non-tribal tribal nohoy heibilakok pata dibor nware only the non-tribal jibilak 1950 pora backside about 12 years thaka bilakok pata dibo pare teolokok 1951 or census mote Karbi Anglong Karbi manu 88% asil aru sob tribal manu including Naga combined together we had 96% tribal people so non-tribal people 4% those 4% now with their children this and that thing they have expanded so all of them can get pata that is the law as per the 6th schedule detail there are other things but we need not go now into the detail so according to the 6th schedule all Nagas who are permanently settling in Karbi Anglong they have the right to get pata of land and if I answer together if you want to say something now or if you want to ask anything before that you can ask but if we go to another subject that is voting rights na voting rights na
Yes.
voting rights apuni mu khojise to etu voting rights pabone nai etia voting rights to all Indian citizens have the right to vote if you are above 18 years old all Indian citizens not only they have the right to vote but according to the instruction of the Chief Election Commissioner or Chief Election Commission of India every citizen who are above 18 years from 18 and above must vote. They must be given the they must be given the opportunity to vote. Not only rights, but the opportunity must be arranged for them. And then they must be allowed to vote 2 kilometers within his village from his house. Within 2 kilometers radius,
Yes.
you must be allowed to vote. That is, polling center must be there. So Naga people, those who are in Karbi Anglong, for more than 6 months, entitlement is 6 months, permanent residence 6 months, ordinarily residing, they said ordinarily residing in a place more than 6 months, they can vote. So you have been here in Naga, in Karbi Anglong more than 10 years. You have got the right to vote. You must be allowed to vote. Not only the right to vote, you must be allowed to vote according to law, according to the constitution. So these are the two things. And then if there any, you can ask me what. And now if you do not have your name there, you must arrange immediately to enter your name in the electoral roll. Electoral roll will be registration of voters will start from 1st of December. 1st of December. Now at present I do not know why it is closed, but from 1st of December, now you must arrange all those whose names are not in the voter list must arrange themselves thoroughly now. They must have a certificate from SGB, I think, that you are showing that, and then your land documents. If it is not Pata, then some documents will be there, and then your birth certificate, your age, to prove your age. Those things you must arrange, and then photograph. There's a passport photograph you must arrange. Everyone must include your name in the voter list.
Now, let me ask one or two questions. This, according to the 6th schedule, every scheduled tribes person has got right to get Pata.
Yes.
Now, district council is refusing to issue. Number one. Number two, since I'm staying in the Karbi Anglong for the last, say, 15 to 20 years, and they are not, my name is not in the electoral roll. So can I sue them in the court of law? Is there any chance?
In the court of law, you can sue them. Everything can be sued in the court of law. So far I know, everything can be brought to the notice of the court. Yes, everything can be brought. And if the Karbi Anglong people do not allow you to enter your name in the voter list, I think you will have to go. You will have to apply to the Chief Election Commissioner in Delhi. You must report to it. That will be the first thing to do.
That's very important.
Yes, this is very important.
Sir, I just want to ask you, being an ex-chairman in Meghalaya for tourism development, you are a Naga, but you were given a place in Meghalaya. Why? How?
You know, Meghalayan are also scheduled tribes. And I'm also being a Naga, I'm also a scheduled tribe. So they don't have any obligation.
They have never rejected you as a Naga to be in
we all are
Meghalaya.
Indian and other scheduled tribes.
Because you stayed in Shillong.
Yeah.
So
in Earl Rochelle. During 1967, 8 like that.
You were in the same hostel
Yeah,
when you were
same
studying,
hostel.
when you were young.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are meeting after 7 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
A wonderful day. I really thank God.
Okay, one more thing, sir. Yes, people are being deprived of patas. Nagas are searching for patas. They were running around, they were paying money here and there. They were promised to give their land patas. But till today, maybe 95% of Nagas, they have no patas. So that is what I also wanted to know. Whether Nagas are entitled, why are Nagas so deprived?
No, the thing what I, according to what I understand is that the 6th schedule has been opposed by some non-tribal people, including Rohini Kumar Chaudhary, including one Mr. B. Das from Orissa, and from some other people from West Bengal also, and another Kulodhar Choliha, like that type of people opposed this 6th schedule. And it was 6th schedule was written by Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy. He was a member in the Constituent Assembly of India, and then it was strongly supported by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was a chairman for drafting the constitution. So that kind of people do not like the 6th schedule because they want that our land should be taken by others, not by us. According to what I feel is that, according to Manusmriti, the tribal people are called to be treated to be Shudra, that is the lowest caste. Etu ekebare low caste buli koise, dei ekebare low caste buli koise, ekdom tolot thoka manu buli koise. Iya dekhoise etu Manusmriti, etu tribal Shudra bila etu manuhor bhori tolor pora ulaise buli iya dekhoise. Aru iya likhise etu chapter 8, lecture 8 buli koi Manusmriti chapter lecture 8 aru verse 2 slok buli koi verse 2 316 hobola tat koise je amar tu Shudra bilak tu property ekebare thakibo nuare buli koise. Property to mati thakibo nuare, wife children no thakibo nuare buli koise, karon it belongs to the Brahmin people buli tat likhise. Hei karone amar ei BJP hokole ba Congress bitorato RSS manu bahut ase, hei karone teoloke eitu Manusmriti tu dhori thake aru eitu implement koriboloi bisare, hei karone amak mati tu nidie. Apunalukoko Naga bilako koise je teoloke tribal manu Shudra etu buli koise. Shudra mane 4th class je tolor atat koi tolor manu etu teoloke eku property mane hompoti mati bari gari he ghor ebilak thakibo nuare buli tat likhise. Hei karone apunalukok mati dibo na lage buli koise. Aru eta kotha tu moi jona mote 6th schedule koise tribal area buli koise. Dede tribal manu থাকিলেহে তাতো tribal area hobo. Etia law of natural justice mote koise je eta tribal area hoboloi hole kom se kom minimum 51% থাকিব লাগে tribal manu. Etu asol kotha 51% থাকিব লাগে tribal majority hobo lage 51 kom se kom atai koi kom dei minimum dei maximum tu bahut thakibo lage. Hei karone ei minimum percentage koma boloi minimum percentage hu na thakiboloi karone amar tribal manu bilakok Karbi Anglongot kajia koriboloi kori thake. Amar majo Naga Karbi kajia, Naga Rengma Naga kajia, Karbi Rengma Karbi kajia, aru Dimasa Karbi kajia, Khasi Karbi kajia, aru Kuki Karbi kajia. Kintu mati tu amar Naga manu tu luanai, puanai teleke, paise tu bongo sena bilake. Aru ji bilake Bihar pora korbar korab ahise, teoloke mati tu loise, teolokor logot kajia nohoy. Tar mane ki? Tar mane kunuba ase, amar tribal manuhor majot kajia logaboloi. Kajia logai pelai, amar tribal population tu komabo lage. Karbi Anglor pora khedibo lage, Naga hokolo, Khasi hokolo khedibo lage. Kuki hokolo khedibo lage, Dimasa hokolo khedibo lage. Eitu buli. Tetia Karbi hokole tu kom hobo. Tetia 6th schedule tu thakibo nuaribo. Tetia oino manu sob loi lobo paribo. Heitu. Hei karone he amar majot kajia logaise aru amar apunalukok hei karone patao nidie aru আপোনালোকক ভোটাৰ লিষ্টতো নামটো সোমাব নিদিয়ে এইটো কাৰণে সিম্পল কথা আমাৰ ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহ নুবুজে আৰু এইবিলাক কি কৰিছে কোনে কৰিছে এইটো বিজেপি কংগ্ৰেছ সময়তে বেছি কৰিছে আৰু এতিয়া বিজেপি আহিছে বিজেপিটো আকৌ বেছিয়ে কৰিছে এইটো
Actually, sir, living in border areas, Naga Manukan. Manukan to kuno encroach kona 1 inch bi. Amar Karbi brothers sisters bila kitia dukh hobo, bemar hobo, poisa lage, modot dibina, ami etu mati to di dibo. To Naga bila to morom ase. Acha thik ase, kiman lage? Digine exchange korise. Ha, in their needs. Ma baba bemar thakise, kunuba bacha mori ase, hospital ponchibo lage, poisa nai. Itu karone ami kan loise. They but Takan Amikan encroachers koi thaki. So it's a very sad thing, sir. And moreover, Amikan to pata napa karne he bishi issue ekta damor hoitese. Eviction koribo kogene bhoi kila. Eviction koribo bhoi kila. Yes or no, Imo?
Yes.
এতিয়া মই ইয়াত এটা কথা ক'ব খুজো কাৰ্বি আংলঙতো কৈ থাকে যে খাচী মানুহবিলাক চব আমাৰ মাটি ল'ব নাগা মানুহ চব আমাৰ মাটি ল'ব বুলি লৈও লৈছে হ'ব পাৰে কিন্তু আইন মতেটো ল'ব পাৰে দেই মই কোৱা কথা নহয় আইন মতে 6 শিডিউল মতে কনষ্টিটিউচন মতে ল'ব পাৰে তেওঁলোকে যদি তেওঁলোকে ইয়াত থাকিব পাৰ্মানেন্টলি থাকিব তেওঁলোকে ল'ব পাৰে কিন্তু ট্ৰাইবেল যিবিলাক ট্ৰাইবেল নহয় তেওঁলোকেতো সদায় থাকিম বুলি ক'লেও ল'ব নোৱাৰিব এইটো বুলি ইয়াত কৈছে এইটো কাৰণ এইটো ট্ৰাইবেল এৰিয়া হয় এতিয়া কথাটো যিবিলাক ট্ৰাইবেল নহয় তেওঁলোককতো দি আছে এতিয়া দি আছে কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে এতিয়া 53% মান হৈ গ'ল নন ট্ৰাইবেল ভিতৰত এই অসমীয়াটো নহয় দেই কিন্তু অসমীয়াটো তেওঁলোকে নাবাহে ইয়াৰ পৰা পলাইছেহে তেওঁলোকে উল্টা কথা অসমীয়াসকলে সেই অসমীয়াটো বেলেগ বস্তু সেইটোতো আমি ক'বলৈ যোৱা নাই কিন্তু যিবিলাকে আসামৰ বাহিৰৰ পৰা আহিছে সেইবিলাকটো কিন্তু অকুপাইটো কৰিছে কিন্তু মই যদি কওঁ যে নাগাসকলে চব ল'ব পাৰে বুলি সেইটোতো মুখটো খুব মানুহবিলাক ভুল বুজিব কিন্তু সেইটো বুলি আমি ক'বলৈ যোৱা নাই নাগাসকলে চব ল'ব লাগে বুলি আমি কোৱা নাই কিন্তু অলপ চলপটো যিবিলাকে আপোনালোকে বৰ্ডাৰত আছে আৰু যেনেকে যিবিলাক ট্ৰাইবেল নহয় তেওঁলোকে যদি লৈছে তেতিয়াহ'লে আপোনালোকে কিয় ল'ব নোৱাৰিব এই কথাটোহে মই কৈছোঁ সেইকাৰণে আপোনালোকে যদি লৈছে বেছিও লোৱা নাই হ'বলা আপোনালোকে কিমান হ'ব ক'ব নোৱাৰো এতিয়া আপোনালোকে 10,000 মান হ'বনে নাগা মানুহ কিমান হ'ব ফেমিলি কিমান হ'ব
6 to 7,000
6-7,000 মান হ'ব 6-7,000 এতিয়া বেংগলীটোতো 2 লাখ ওপৰ হৈছেতো তেওঁলোকে যদি ল'ব পাৰে আৰু আমাৰ বিহাৰী মানুহবিলাকো 1 লাখটো ওপৰ হৈছে সেইকাৰণে তেওঁলোকে যদি ল'ব পাৰে তেতিয়াহ'লে আপোনালোকক ইয়াত ওচৰত থকা মানুহবিলাক ল'ব নালাগে বুলি আইন নাই বুলিতো ক'ব নোৱাৰো আইনটো আছে ল'ব পাৰে এইটো কথা
Sir, one more thing. You were the Deputy Commissioner in Kokrajhar once upon a time. Their tribals are also getting the facility of buying land or making the patta. Other tribals. Bodoland de ase bole to Naga manu pai ase, Karbi manu mati pai ase tate. Tribals bilak to bon kora nai. Bodoland de bi. Kintu yate amar Karbi manu te hoy ase etu bostu.
সেইটো নাগা মানুহক ল'ব আসল কুৱেশ্যনটো নাগা মানুহক ল'ব নালাগে বুলি কয় খাচী মানুহক ল'ব নালাগে কয় কিন্তু বঙালী বিহাৰীসকলক ল'ব নালাগে বুলি নকয় কিয় এতিয়া আসল কথা মোৰ মতে
6 schedule
উল্টা কৰিছে এই কথা আসল কথাটো তেওঁলোকে এটা কিবা এজেন্ট আছে এজেন্সি সকলে তেওঁলোকে ভাবিছে যে ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহ সংখ্যাটো কমাব লাগে ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহ পপুলেশ্যন পাৰ্চেন্টেজটো কমাব লাগে যাতে 6 শিডিউলটো এবলিশ কৰিব পৰা যায় এই কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে চেষ্টা কৰিছে এইটো
একচুয়ালি স্যার আমাৰ মানুহবিলাক সব লিটাৰেট তো নহয় লিটাৰেট থকা মানুহ বি কনস্টিটিউশনটো giving your precious time এতিয়া তো আজি তো বেশি জানিছে আমি না আমি কারণ নাগা মানুহ কিন্তু ডিপ্রাইভ কৰি কিনে আসনে কি কিনে ভাবি আছে কিন্তু 6 schedule লাগা হিসাবতে তো আমি কান বি ফুল রাইট আছে পাবলিক provided we are not terrorists নহলে কিবা নহয় আমি কান
Moreover, we are good citizens in Karbi Anglong.
Yeah, and see, in Nagaland also, Karbis are given opportunity and Karbis have their own right in Nagaland.
Right.
We have not rejected, our Naga people have never rejected Karbi or Kachari people. They are also one among our tribes. So I hope it will continue throughout our lifetime, the relationship too. And as the closest neighbor, Karbi Anglong and Nagaland and Meghalaya, tribal state Majateto, we are the closest neighbor. So we hope we will all live together in a very good understanding way.
Morum Burigana Takiboy.
একেলগে থাকিব লাগে তো নাগালেণ্ডতো নন ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহটো ভৰ্তি হৈছে না
But they are not given land rights.
লেণ্ড ৰাইটছ
Land rights they are not given. Nagaland to land rights to Pane. They can establish business for a period with certain licenses and otherwise land rights to nine. Anyway, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.